After so many days, must be wondering what is this on my nose. Blackhead remover. You know, here they have this charcoal. Like everything is charcoal. Toothpaste is charcoal. The cream peel off skin is charcoal. And they have this thing that maybe charcoal is much better. So anyway, this is a charcoal nose strip. I normally put it after a shower, but today I thought, okay, after running, I'll put it on and see how it is. Anyway, just thought I'd share with you. Today, right now it is morning, 8, I think 8:30 or something, yeah. Got up at around 2:30, yeah, got up 2:30. I've been sleeping for 3 to 4 hours the last, I think 2 weeks. Yeah, sleeping 3 hours, 4 hours, getting up, then, you know, fueling my body with the black espresso so that I don't sleep. Then when I feel sleepy, drink again, coffee, then work until I'm so exhausted that I can't even open even half an eye like this. I'm like, and then I crash. Again, get up. Can't sleep much because noise, and my baby is making noise and people are making noise, and you know, this always happens to me. I work 2 weeks like mad, work in the night. It's like I literally sleep at 5 o'clock or 5 or 6 in the morning, and this goes on until my body literally refuses to sleep at 5 or 6 in the morning. It sleeps at 10, and that happened I think yesterday. I slept at 10 or 11, went to sleep, got up at 4, got up, did my run, did the videos, but then my battery power went down again, went to sleep again, and then got up at 2. I think the body has a habit of resetting itself, you know. You go in all these weird tangents, weird timings, weird habits. That's why even if you take steroids or whatever, the day you stop, the body goes back to normal or goes back to less than what it was. Even when you fall sick, the body tries to reset itself. I don't know what it is, man. I guess maybe when you start getting old, you just want to work. You enjoy working because when you work, you make money. And when you have money, you have peace of mind. And especially when you have all these bills to pay and you have all these things that you want to do, and it's like I take greater amount of happiness knowing that I can make money. But yeah, doing what I love, not doing what I don't love. Sometimes I wonder what's life, you know, where you just work doing, just work like this. I miss the days when I was young. When I was young, play games, girls, going out with friends, going to the gym, pumping, iron, showing your muscles and wanting to impress the girls and get money, spend, don't think about savings, enjoy life, enjoy the attention. Then when you become old, hey doggy, when you become older, the ball game changes, man. It's like they say, no? When you get married, you change one step. But when you have a baby, you change completely. I used to always think, okay, no matter, even if I have a baby, I'll not change. Unfortunately, or fortunately, after you get a baby, I guess it's a responsibility that you have that makes you change. That's why, that's why I tell people, listen, don't get married. Seriously, don't get married. Enjoy your life as long as you can. Marriage is not fun. don't don't like, even I used to do the same thing. Even I wanted to get married. That fascination, oh, I'll get married, I'll have someone to love me, and responsibility. We have this romantic notion of marriage. I'll tell you, marriage, no, the bottom line comes to money. If you are not earning enough, that is the beginning of all the troubles. Yes, you need to have someone understanding, needs to be a friend, need to have trust, need to get along. All those factors are there. But money is a big chunk, man. Massive chunk. Sometimes, I just wish I could just relax, man. Not think, not worry, not work, not be bothered. Sometimes, really, I'll tell you, sometimes, sometimes you see these questions people ask, no? If I had two, like the Matrix, that guy holding two pills, red pill and blue pill. Okay, if I give the blue pill, you'll go back in time from childhood and you'll know everything that you know right now. Okay, would you take that? Or the other pill is you'll gain $50 million and you'll be where you are right now. So many people, including me, that is before, I would have said, okay, I want to go back in time and start all over again. Today, if you ask me, I just say, give me the fucking 50 million, man. Fuck everything. What? Really relive life all over again. I know it sounds very fascinating. Imagine you could go back in time, be that small kid and look at life through that small height and small boy and make those choices. Just imagine if you could go back in time and you had this. I have the same maturity that I have now. Same maturity, but I'm like a small boy. That would have been something, man. Some new science fiction kind of a movie. It's like a superpower, right? In fact, if you ask me, the superpower I like to have is like Superman, fly. Tan, ta-da. You remember when old Superman, Christopher Reeves, tan, ta-da, tan, ta, ta, comes and he opens it. Tan, ta-da, ta, 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 ta. Oh, what a music. Oh, you just open and you see that S and you can fly. Man, it would have been so amazing, you know. And just tan, ta, ta. Anyway, I don't have a shirt, but I'll go tan, ta, ta. It would be so nice if I could fly. The crickets have woken up. Cicadas or cricket? Now you can hear that irritating sound. Yeah, I could fly. Like a drone, no? How you see everything becomes small. So nice. Could fly, have superpowers, and nobody would know who I am. But given my face and my tattoos, I guess everyone would know who I am. Some people like to be invisible, so you can see. What you'll see? Half-naked girls or secrets and stand quietly and listen to what they're saying. Boring. Flying is exciting. But then what if a fighter plane shoots you down, or for that you need superpowers, right? What if there's no oxygen? Yeah, like Iron Man, you go so high and there's no oxygen. So yeah, I need to think of all those things. Yeah, talking, I don't know what all am I talking. That's why I think I call this series Nothing. Just talk. But yeah, money is the name of the game, man. And it's so funny, when we have money, we end up spending it. Like right now I want to buy Chuma, I just want to buy another laptop. I want to buy the M1 Mac what? Air. Yeah, my wife wants to save money for the house, and obviously I'm giving her the money, like dividing it. I'm not recklessly buying. I'm just telling what is there in the back of my head. The funny thing, even after buying, I don't have time to use it. Seriously, I just buy and I don't use it. I have that, 37-inch ultra wide, 34-inch ultra wide, 120 hertz, and that state of the art $8,000 PC gaming. Where I've used it. I never used it. Just lying in the house because I'm so busy. Crazy, man. I just force myself to play the Nintendo Switch sometimes. Half an hour, and that also half sleepy. I'm just like trying to keep awake, and I force myself to play because I should do something else. There's half the time when I get up, my whole body's aching because sleeping at the wrong timing and getting up at the wrong time. When I get up, I'm like a dead, lifeless zombie. I tell my wife, please massage my leg with that leg massaging machine, and sometimes when she massages again, I fall asleep for half an hour or 45 minutes. My body is so tired here. Funny, being old. When you're young, it's so much fun here. Become old is so fucking crazy. Yeah, then you get all these statements. Life begins at 40. What fuck? That fucking shit. Life begins at 40. Life begins when you have shitloads of money. Money, money, money. Game of money. When you have money, you have honey. And you are everyone's sonny. But no money, no honey. Fuck off, sonny. Anyway. So, let's hope we all make money, man. We all become rich billionaires. When I was young, I wanted to be billionaire. Billions. Not even millions, billions. Now it's become trillions. Sounds stupid. Billions. B sounds powerful. Trillion sound T, like a glass break. It's like a billions. Gazillions. That sounds better. Anyway, if anyone of you is planning to give me your property, in Hindi say property jaidad. So plan to give me millions, please give. Get $1 million, I'll just keep it in the bank. I'll keep it in the bank, seriously. I'll not spend it. I'll spend a little here and there, but I will not tell anyone. I'll act like I don't know. And I'll continue making these videos. Continue, trying to market and sell my brand. And yeah, obviously a couple of things like build a house and, get a lifetime visa or something. Yeah. Maybe your wife would want to travel the world and all that. But, just save money for kids' college, save money for wifey on a difficult day. Put the money, build a nice state-of-the-art house. Nice house, not too gaudy. And yeah, build a nice studio for me to do my YouTube videos. Nice, few dream world. If I made $1 billion. Billion is also too much. If I made millions. 1 million is not enough, but yeah. I'd be happy with 1 million, man. Build a nice, decent house, small house, not very big. With the family, this thing, save money for baby's education. Baby's education, maybe $500,000. No, $500,000 too much. Yeah, I think $500,000, yeah. Yeah, then another $500,000 is too much. Dollars. 100,000, 200,000, I think. Then another 200,000 for wifey, emergency here and there. Another 200,000 for house and all that. And how much is that? 2, 4, 6, 400,000, $500,000 for me. Can do what I like. That'll be nice. Don't know how long that will last. But yeah, I'll continue my work. So that's it. Don't we all want to be rich? Billions, millions and all that stuff. Inshallah. Inshallah, like they say. Inshallah. Okay. So here's another video of nutting. Hope you enjoyed it. Nutting video. Today, let's see what time I'll sleep. I have to upload all those videos. Yesterday I didn't upload because I was too sleepy. 4 videos are there, and today I'll make another 4, so 8 videos. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share, all that YouTube shit. And I end up with piddly views, man. The fuck. Stupid, no? Anyway. Okay. Let me know what you think of this nothing series. No agenda, nothing, just fucking talking. I think it's like a diary, you know. You guys take care. Okay? See you.